Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm showing my recent trip I visited is Nandi Hills. Here we go.
We stopped near Kurnool and this is our mirchi plants. You can see them.
We stopped here and we had a lunch and again we started our journey to Bangalore. By the time we reached Bangalore, it became night, so we stayed there and we started our journey to Nandi Hills in the morning from Bangalore to Nandi Hills. We are so excited when we are near to that hills. Finally, we reached Nandi Hills and it's wow.
Could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Chance for me to learn your memories. Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
It was an awesome trip. We enjoyed a lot. Please like, share, and subscribe.